Hi guys, it's Shauna, and today I'm so excited to share my birthday with you. Today is my birthday, and I won't tell you how old I am because I'm plenty old enough. But I did get a bunch of Happymail this week, and I've been saving it to open it on my birthday. And I apologize in advance if you hear some weird noises. I have my little puppy over here chewing away at her toy, so hopefully there will be no barking, but no guarantees. So without further ado, let's get into this awesome birthday mail that I received. So some fun things I received just because this one's from Sephora and they send you this cool, it's time to celebrate. I'm kind of excited for this. It's weird when you become a junk journaler, you look at the little things they send you in the mail. I kind of like this packaging, and I probably will put this inside of a journal. Anyways, they have a free gift for me if I make a purchase, I think is what it is. One lame one that I wasn't happy to see was it's time for a mammogram again. I should change the date and not do that on my birthday, but yeah. Okay, I also got a free Starbucks coffee today, and that was really awesome. And my daughter took me for smoothie bowls for breakfast. My husband took the partial day off work so that we could have lunch together, and that was really awesome. So it's been a good day. This one is, I'm part of a couple of Happymail groups. I've put some post-it over the addresses so I don't have to worry about anybody not happy with their address on the airtime. This one is from a really cool lady named Val in my Happymail group. Oh, she sent a little gorgeous girl paper piecing. That is so cool. That is really fun. Let's see. Oh, that's a cute card. Thanks, Val. Aw, she hopes my special day is filled with lots of smiles and laughter, and it definitely has been a good day. She's from Southern Indiana, so that's really cool. And some cute little stickers, too. Aw, thanks a bunch, Val. I really appreciate it. I love this little paper piecing. So much fun. Okay. And this one is from another Happymail group member, Joni. I love the little present on the envelope. That's really cute. Oh, and a beautiful card. It says happy birthday. Aw, so cute. Thanks so much, Joni. I love cards. Cards are not lost on me. I love to receive actual mail. And this one is from my mother-in-law. She sent me a beautiful card like she does every year, and I really enjoy them. She always finds really pretty cards, so thank you, Helen, if you're watching. And she sent me a nice little gift in there too, so I will do some shopping, which is fun. And then I received this fun package. Kind of surprised me when it came because I wasn't expecting it at all. This one is from New Jersey, and it's from Elisa. So thank you so much, Elisa. She's in one of my groups as well. And there's all kinds of goodies in here. Oh, look at this cup. Never underestimate the power of coffee and a girl with a dream. Oh, this is such a cute cup. Thank you, Elisa. And then she sent me this pretty package. That's like a stuffed envelope. This is so pretty. And it says my name right here, and little gold stickers. Oh, how fun is this? Oh, it's like a balloon. Oh, that is so cute. And it has little confetti inside. It's a heart. Oh, that's really cute. And then this is a doily that she's folded up into an envelope pocket. That's so cute. What a good idea. And then, oh, there's a pretty card. Look at all these. Oop, oop. Oh, these are pretty birds. I love this. And beautiful butterflies and flowers. I love that. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day of relaxation and fun. Hope you can spend it with those you love. I definitely have, Elisa, so thank you so much. I really love this card. It's so pretty. Smiles are the soul's kisses. It's a little bookmark. That's beautiful. Love it. And then it looks like a little piece of decorative paper. Ooh, this is pretty. Aw. Another envelope that she made with some cute little junk journal ephemera in here. Oh, so pretty. I will definitely use these. I love this one. This rose one's really pretty too. Oh, very pretty. Thank you so much, Elisa. This was really unexpected and a nice surprise. I love it. These are really cool. These will be fun pockets to put in a journal or something too. Love it. Keep it all together. I like this little birthday bee that she sent too. How fun is that? Okay. So this one comes from one of my besties. This is from Tony in Virginia. And the funniest thing, we met on a group. Well, I don't know if it's really funny, if it's just kind of ironic, but we have so many of the same ailments, we decided to call ourselves twins. Aw, so pretty. Beautiful card. Thank you so much. I love all the glitter and the pretty purple. It's like my favorite color, and she knows that. And then she sent this one separate, so I got two from her. Another card. Got really bored and made you a little something because I love you. It's your birthday month. That is all. Aw, thank you so much. Oh, there's a little mustache sticker. Okay. Oh my goodness. She made me a journal, you guys. This is so cool. It's beautiful. I love this. Aww. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, so fun. Huh? Coffee. Oh, oh, there's some confetti. Confetti coming out. That's fun. Cute little tab. Oh yeah, lots of confetti. Oh, those are cool. Expect the unexpected. Yeah, it was a little surprise popping out of the book there. Some cool little brads. Oh, I love the dragonflies. That's so pretty. What does this say? With brave wings she flies. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, this is cool. She says she can't do pockets, but this is a great pocket. I've never done one quite like this before. This one has a tuck spot here and maybe there. Nope, that's just folded. So cool. I love it. I love this. Coffee is always a great idea, yes. Oh, and she put some tea in here. Ooh, strawberry cheesecake. So fun. Oh, look at these beautiful papers. This one looks like she decoupaged with a napkin. So beautiful. It's the little things that make life big, for sure. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. It's got some little kitty stuff. Cappuccino. That's cute. I love this too. Oh, this is fun. Like a little flip area. So cool. Oops. Looks like this one came off. I'll have to put it back on. Oh, a pocket full of all kinds of fun things. Ooh, look at this butterfly. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I love that. Oops, now how do I get it back in here? Aww. Oh, that's cute. Tomorrow's a new day with no mistakes in it yet. Oh, this is beautiful. Ah, there's one of the jars. She made these little jars for somebody, and it had cute little hearts in it. It was like a jar of hearts. And now I get a jar of flowers. That's so fun. I think this is the first ever junk journal anybody's ever made for me. Oh, I like that. It's got the texture. Yeah, you're welcome. Yes, thank you so much. Do not worry, be happy. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it. Well, that is all the mail that I have to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the fun things that were sent my way. And I had a great dinner with my husband and my daughter, and we're going to have some cheesecake in a little bit. And I just kind of got to relax at home and do some errands and open my Happymail to share with you guys. And it's been a great day. So thank you to all of you that made that possible and were a part of my fun day. I greatly appreciate you. And thank you so much for subscribing and watching to my channel. I appreciate all of my subscribers, and I hope that you will give this video a thumbs up and tune in for more videos. Thanks so much.